Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Traders, I've just uploaded a little tool that you can access. It's in our Discord. I'll show you where it is. In Discord, come down to tutorials and go down to risk management. You'll see here's a handy little calculator, blah, 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 and you can download this file. Make sure that you watch this video, and I'm going to place this video under here. So back over to the calculator here and risk manager tool. It's this that's going to make or break you as a trader. I can tell you 100%. It is incredibly important to manage your position size. And this is how I do it on this one of my accounts here. I allow a maximum exposure or all open trades at any given time of 2% of my account. So you can change that if you want to make it 1%. That's fine. I'll go 2. How many trades are you planning on taking? Well, I'd like the option to take up to 5 trades during the session or whatever. So you can type in these white fields. Let's just say I'm going to take 1 trade just for the sake of this video. You can see that it calculates down here the maximum percentage of my account per trade then is going to be 2%. I'm taking 1 trade, right? I want to open 2 positions. I want T1 to close 65% of the position and T2 I want to leave running 35%. So it's going to calculate for my first position I can open 1.3% of my account, and the second position I can open 0.6% of my account. So anyway, we'll go back out to 5. It's more realistic. I want to take a few trades during the day. Here are my limits. Okay, the first position 0.3, second position 0.1. So with that in mind, I can open 2 positions, 0.3, 0.1. Let's say I want to take a trade here, dollar CAD. I'll make it a limit order. 0.3 and 0.1. So the first position is going to be 0.3% of my account. See how it changes the lot size? Risk balance, 320. So disregard the dollar value, disregard the lot size. It's percentage. All right. So the percentage will be the same if you're trading a $500 account or you're trading a $50,000 account. So you want to get this dollar value and lot size thing out of your head and work on percentage of the account. That's important as you grow your account. And as per the videos that I do, I'm looking for target 1 to be slightly under 1-to-1 risk reward. So that's my first trade is going to be this. Now, no matter where the stop loss is, it's going to be the same dollar value. So if I move this stop loss up and down, let's just do that. Pull it over here. See how the dollar value here remains the same, but the lot size changes. All right, so I'm still risking 0.3% and the dollar value remains the same. All right, so I'm happy with that. I want to set a pending buy order in here at 0.3%. There it is. Great. All right, now the next I want to open is 0.1%. Do this on every trade. So no matter what instrument you're trading, no matter what currency pair you're trading and whatever your stop loss range is, you're managing the risk. The position size remains the same across the board. This way then you trade your strategy. Let's just set this up, 0.1% of my account. You see how it's made it a smaller lot size? Okay, so I'll place the order in now, pending buy, and I've got my 2 positions running. So we look down here, there they are. Stop losses in place, everything is set up. So this is set and forget. Either the stop gets hit or T1 is reached. Now, if T1 is reached, it's a winning trade. We're taking 2/3 of our position off here. We have a strategy. If we get a 50% win rate, this is incredibly profitable. Set it, forget it, let your stop get hit, or let T1 be reached. All right? And then you could come in and this can be a dynamic target if you want. And then you can trail your stop loss and narrow this gap as the trade progresses in your favor. But this is so important. So we're managing our risk here. We can go to bed and sleep. Okay, if we have a strategy that we know, let me just show you something. Let's say we're working on a 90% win rate is ridiculous. Professional traders, a lot of them are working around between 40 and 60% win rate. Now, if you've got a strategy that works with a win rate like these are our trade signals, by the way, you should be well and truly in front. So if you have a strategy that produces results like this, manage your risk well, as I'm showing you here, and enjoy the ride. So just showing you here our last 60 trades, we've worked out at about a 90% win rate. Here's the thing though, see this batch of 10 here, unfortunately we had a couple of stop loss hits yesterday. It's the cost of doing business. See, we're averaging out at 90%. Okay, this batch of 10 here was 100%, was 10 out of 10. This batch here gave us 9 out of 10. So the thing with your trading is, if you have an edge in the market, let's say you work out at 60% win rate overall. For every 1,000 trades you take, you should win 600. But when you break it down to 10 trades, as you can see here, well, this one's only 7 out of 10. This one's a 9 out of 10. This one's a 10 out of 10. 7 out of 10 is our worst so far. Sometimes it might work out a 5 out of 10. And then the next batch of 10, you get a 10 out of 10. All right, so you see what I'm saying? So when you average out your trades over 1,000, that's where you start to see the ratio establish itself. All right, so when you have a strategy that you know will give you whatever percent success rate it gives you, establish that first. Well, we have that. Trade it and let the trade play out and set it up like this so that you can sleep. It's stress-free trading. The biggest mistakes that you can make as a trader is 1, leaving out a stop loss. 2, mixing up your lot sizes, position sizes in here, and not understanding what your risk is. So what we covered in the video is important. Come back to the spreadsheet here and run with that. Position size, percentage of your account. I'll place this video in Discord here. It's going to be under tutorials, risk management. Please watch this first video. Here's the spreadsheet you can download. And the other thing was, grab yourself a trade manager. This is the one that I like. And my other prop firm accounts provide a different trade manager, but it does much the same thing. So with that, guys, get disciplined and manage your risk well, and it could really change everything for you. Okay, with that, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next video.